Binigay kay number 2, Potential.
Ayan mga boss, nandito tayo sa Barangay Rosario, Pasig at manunod tayo ng laban ng Junior Division. Dito po ang court, napapalibutan ng mga building. Ayan. Hey, good evening. Hey, good evening.
Congratulations to Tennis.
Yeah. Ayan mga boss, nandito tayo sa Barangay Rosario, Pasig at manunod tayo ng laban ng Junior Division. Dito po ang court, napapalibutan ng mga building. Ayan. Hey, good evening. Hey, good evening. Gabi.
Congratulations to the press, Complex Groups. See you on Saturday, the semi-final round.
Mga boss, manonood tayo ng laban ng Junior Division. Porok 6 versus Porok 2.
Pambali sa mahagong tunay, Matomo in the house. Gawin naman ka. First by both teams. This is Juniors Division, Saturday knockout. Ang mananalo po ay lalabanan ng Porok 5 sa araw ng Sabado.
Start of the war game, Jambol.
Porok 6 is blue, Porok 2 is yellow. This is game 2. Knockout game 2-0. Adding score, Quason set the play para sa Porok 2, Pro G. Ferrer rejected. 2-0. Potential binigay kay kayo na nasa loob na kayo eh. Kapag sabi pumasok pa kayo. Plaso to Macaro para sa Porok 6. Plaso. Oh, there's a 2-0 match score. Granes at the free throw area. Rejected ball. Second try for number 15. Sino? Score 2-1 in favor ng sa East. Franco in the house. Potential. Binigay kay Bernardo. There's a foul kay Bernardo. 1-3 ang ating score. All 3. Potential, binigay kay Maxley. Rejected na gagawa natin kay Eranes. Dinala-diretso. Etong check-o. Wala. Rebound line. Carpio to Tupal. Wala pa rin. Oh my God. Yung po mga paa nyo, pakitingnan nyo ba? Baka nakakapa kayo sa gurit. Pakitas naman po, ha? Maraming salamat. Lalo na yung mga nakakayo. Wala lang pinakita. Another foul. Foul by number 6. Jump Paso. Diretso, binigay kay Tupal. Tupal penetrates, binigay kay Carpio. Carpio, binigay kay Perer. Diretso, Paso. Ang galing ang busa. 5-3, Tupal lead, number 2. 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Fantastic yun. Number 18, rejected. Pathetic rebound. Number 34, binigay kay Nico. Coach ball number 6, Kuya Big Parrot. Ang coach number 2 ay si Diego. Kanina, ayahin ko. Yellow ball. Last 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Tuason jump. Setting the play para sa Burgos. 15 seconds to shoot. Tueranes binigay kay Tupal. Tupal penetrates. Binigay sa ulo ng Perer. Kaso traveling violation. Ako yung may mas kay Russell. Wala si Russell. Kaso kami ka mo ako. Sige lang, baka lumiyala. 10 seconds. Tackling, for 3. Rejected rebound by Ken Carpio. Napunta kay Tupal. Reset Tupal. Rejected ng ihina. Bago ni Ben Bangin. Joke lang po, mga nag-gabi. Sa mga mahal ng tunay, I love you all. Ang mana ng back to the ball games. 2-3. Ang galing ng husay. 8-3. Pagod na ako. Huwag niyo akong masitin. Makakapagod na kayo. Rebound by Carpio. Binigay kay John Paso. Last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Adrian score 5.8. Number 2. Tupal. Dinala-diretso. Ang galing ng husay.
Salamat kuya.
Tayo, Jetro.
Salamat.
Potential. Napakasipag. 15 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay rebound by Eranes. Eranes binigay kay Bakuli. Diretso. Oh! Wala. Sorry po. Mugi, rejected. Napunta kay Ken Carpio. Binigay kay Tawimit. Medina. 15 seconds. Oh! Follow number 2. Magandang gabi po. Last 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Medina, binigay kay Tupal. Rejected, sayang. Napunta sa group sa East. Belardo. Setting the play. Rejected kay Belardo. Kaso, ang galing ang husay. Belardo, number sa East. Jenny, stand by. Ang ating score. Last 4 days and 13 seconds. Giselle, okay ka magkatulog eh. Meron. Potential. 15 seconds. Rejected. Napunta kay ingay. Ito na. For 3. Rejected pa rin napunta kay Tupal. Christian Tupal. For 3. Too short. Time left. 3 minutes and 30. Yung galit sa akin, di ba yung tumawag? 15 seconds. Intercepted. Nakapunta kay Cardio. Cardio, tutawimit ang galing. Walang husay. Sana. Sa releasing ref. 3 minutes and 11 seconds and we end the first quarter. Official score is 10-5. Ang pang-puntos. Prudential to Retuma. Ang kagawa na punta sa inaanak ko. Pagpantay. Patmanda. Ready. Setting the play. Oh. Uy. Save mo.
Para kayo sapsoy ah.
Prudential setting the play. 15 seconds. Magkuli. Binigay kay Uy. Oh. Parang tilinihan mo yun. Kay Ruby. Ano mo si Ruby? Ay, magandang gabi natin. Ano yung binaaway kanina, Michelle? Kanina pa rin ako yung nakaaway. Hilayan na yan. Naaway ako. Kaya dalawa ko yan. Ay, mga dalawa nila yung naaway nila ako. Cardio. Pagkabingit nyo din na. Hindi ka mag-rejected. Hindi ko ba? Mahapong tunay. Red Cuba. Prudential. Binigay kayo ng pantay. Miscommunication pass. Dire-diretso magpantay. Oh, there's a foul. Foul. Yan ang tayo ng wala. Kaya ko yun. Oh, rejected many. Oh, anything. Oh, Cardio for 2. 12-5. Martin to oh. Nasa court kayo, alam mga tahimik. Paghihimpahan na tagal kayo tahimik. Okay. Ready nyo. Binigay kay Louie. Louie for 3. Rejected na punta kay Relly. Binigay kay Jesus Alvario. Super play. Ready na. Number 8 seconds. Ang galing. Husay. Magpapay! Mga bata kasi first time sa juniors. Oh, turn the ball. Ito, may pagbayan ko talaga. Pagbati sa mga tagaputunaw na magdala dito. Ayun na. Cardio. Diretso. For 3. Rejected. Rebound na yung naman tayo. Blue ball. Bilang ng bati. Ano po yan? Ano po sasalamat natin? Bakit bird na natin? Kaya mo 15 seconds. Oh, parang kumumulot yung court. 10 seconds left. Bilang na ng abukangan, nalabas ang ube. Well, 5. 10 seconds. 5. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 points. 5 seconds left. 2 seconds. Foul number that this nation requires a repeater of body shot. Pasok. 56.
Score 15-6 in favor of Porok Dos. Daming tao. Halos punong-puno itong court.
Pagbali ladies start.
Gabo Babuenas.
Second quarter.
Ating bola. Medina. Now sa game para sa Burgos. Medina. Binigay kay Tatsulan. Ready. Back to Medina. 10 seconds to shoot. Nagbo-boxingan ako na kay Medina. Binigay kay Tatay. Tatay penetrates. Binigay kay Tawirin. Ang galing. Husay. Ang init. 17-6 ang ating score. 9-point lead ng Porok Dos. There's a body shot for Magada. Pasok. Bilang ng bakla, naging 5 na. Anim. Official score 17-8 with 9 minutes and 20 seconds left. Medina setting the play, crossing the court. Dinerecho ang bola, binigay kay Jesus Alvario na pumatay kay Ligan. 8 seconds kay Ligan. Traveling violation. Medina for 3, rejected. Bonus satu lagi. 5 seconds. Ang ating score with 8 minutes and 9 seconds left. And the second pasok. 19-10, still in the lead ay ang Porok Dos. This is the main event. Tomorrow we'll go on semi-finals round. Nauna kay Ready. Binalik kay 2 points by Jesus Soriano. 21-10 with 7 minutes and 30 seconds left. We were winning first quarter, 15 seconds to shoot. Hindi makita mga player ito, mabinigay kay 10 seconds to shoot. Wala ang bola na pumuntos kay Ligan Cruz. Binigay kay Ligan sa Wibig. Binigay kay Ligan. Ito. Yung na.
Agawan tuloy ng tao.
Number 35, bonus shot for kay Ligan. Rebound by 21-10 ang ating score. 7 minutes, 5 seconds left before we have the first half. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Muhi saves the ball. Muhi binigay sa convention ba yun? Substitution. Walang tao. Wala diretso lang pa. Wala pa tayo mag-2 seconds. Galing tayo. Sorry po.
Wala pa naman pumapasa kayo.
6 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. Watson for 3, rejected. Double na kayo. I love 2 pa. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 23-12 ang ating score. Laba ang Burgos with 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
May iba na nilalaroan niya.
Martin, bigay kay Belano. 5 seconds. Rookie. Bigay kay intercepted by Medina Plason. Solo. Easy 2 points by John Plason. 25-12. Ang galing ang Musay. This is SK Batang Musay. Shortly 2025. Ating sa ating SK Chairman Tyrone Jethro Malakilang ng SK Council na Barangay Rosario. 12 seconds. 10 seconds para ng Brooks sa East. Renduba for 3. Rejected. Rebound by Bilardo. Nagagawa lang na kay Bilardo ng ato. Udensyal for 3. 3 points para kay Udensyal. 25-15. Last 5 minutes of goal. Traveling violation. Back to the ballgame. Very 15. Vela. Tuason. Tutupan. Oh, ito ay magpatay. Ang galing ng Musay. 27-15. Jack Tuason. Kailangan sa team play. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Kailangan. Kanya pa rin napunta kay pagpantay sa napunta kay Renduba. Walang yung kumangayon sa buwang na tapat eh. Official score, 27-17, 10-point lead ng Puro Tos. Para kayong mga anak dyan. Barangay players, magandang gabi mo. Back to the ballgame. Back to the ballgame. We are still on the first half, second quarter, 27-17 ang ating score. Tupan. Laban tupo. Tupan. Offensive foul. Kita. Hulika. Last 4 minutes. We end the first half. Udensyal. Long pass na po kami. Oh! Sabi kay Udensyal. Almost rejected. Rebound by Ranas. Bigay kay Christian Tumal. Interface. Rebound by Erofeno. Jack Claxon. Messi Tumal. Ang galing. Ang Musay. 29-17. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 seconds. 29-75 seconds. Renduba. Too short. Rebound by Carpio. Tutuasa. Long pass. Almost. Naalaw. Udensyal. Ibigay kay Martin. Dire-diretso. Rejected. Mira 29-19. Tingnan mo ang ating mga sangre na agawan si Jamtat Tuason. Bagay Tuba 29-21. Walang baka tapat sa kumanga nun eh, no? Ang ingay. Beber, 2 points. 31 31-21 with 2 minutes and 25 seconds before we end the first half. Potential. Binigay kay Rentuba. Rentuba, anak ni Lubi. Binigay kay Martin. Potential. Dire-diretso. Basket is Potential. On the free throw area. Potential. Last 2 minutes. 31-25. Tupa. Diretso. Binigay kay Ferrer. Ferrer for 2. Pasok. 33-25. Agli Magusay. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds. Backfully. Binigay kay Potential. Martin. Pasok. 2 points. 33-25. 33-27. 10 seconds to shoot. Points by 35-27. Blocked by
Wala.
35-27. So, 23 seconds left. Second and 10 seconds. There's a foul. Another shot for number 24, Ramos. Rejected. Backly to Densal. 15 seconds. Last 24 seconds. Another 2 points. 35-30. 15 seconds before we end the first half. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Oh.
Carpio. Carpio.
1 second left.
Lingo-lingo.
Potential in the free throw area. On the shot. Rejected.
Wala.
Second try for Potential. 35-31 in 1 second.
Score 35-31 in favor of Porokdos. Isusum na lang po yun.
Yeah.
Isusum ko na lang po. Isusum.
Okay na. Official score 35-31 in favor of Porokdos.
Mga interbarangay natin yung mga yan.
Okay,
para lumaki views mo.
Interbarangay na.
Interbarangay natin yung mga yan.
Magsialisan na. Ito. Yan. Yan, man the best. Ano? Wala, hindi na palaban. Hindi na palaban. Nakasum na, nakasum. Dahil yung mga natin, no? Kagawad, magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi po, kagawad. Yan. Ayaw niyo no. Ito. Thank you, Toya.
Back to the ball game. Sa ating second half.
Third quarter.
Alright, number 25. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Deschal. Takes the free. And Deschal! Official score 35-34. 14 seconds to shoot. Quazon jumper. Vintes. Nagkatabigang rebound by Red Tuba dribbling the ball. Red Tuba. The number 30 ball. Nagada. Pintawan yung bola. Lapit na kayo Deschal. Deschal setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Red Tuba takes a free. Red Tuba! Number 80 setting the play. 15 seconds. Number 80 Deschal. Pass to Maganda. Binigay kay number 35. Thankfully, 2 points. 39-37 ang ating score. 8 minutes, 40 seconds left. We're in the third quarter. Number 3, Turpan. Dinoble team. Pass to John Quazon. Sumalagsak. Quazon. Pass to Pereira. Inigas. Offensive foul. Tinawag natin referee. There's our offensive foul at number 5. First personal foul at number 5. First team foul. Official score 39-37. 2-point lead ng Group 6. 8 minutes and 28 seconds before we end the third quarter. Number 18, Deschal dribbling the ball. Deschal setting the play, takes a free. Deschal! 42-37. Rubal dribbling the ball. Rubal. Umatake. Nakakuha ng foul. Where's the foul yung number? Rubal in the breaking area. Official score 42-39. Back to volley. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Deschal setting the play. Pass to Red Tuba. 10 seconds to shoot. Red Tuba. Left undershot with this. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. Number 6. Magpantay. Out of bounds. Symbol. Magpantay. Fakes. Sumalagsak. Stepping. Super traveling by seconds. Official score 42-39.
Dami pong nanonood.
In favor of JBO.
Punong-puno po rito. Puno po ng tao.
sa ball game. Nakatay kayo pula, nakatay pula, wala. Ayan.
Magbantay. Dinereto, binigay kay Pérez. Basket count and then there's a foul. Foul by number 4. 42-41, isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Prof sa East.
Number 23, setting the play, pass to Belardo. Belardo dribbling the ball. Belardo steps up. Vintes, nagkatabigan, Vintes si Putak, lalagre, Vintes si Putak, by number 22.
Belardo.
Number 5, Correa, holding pass to Carpio, creating Tupal. Tupal, Vintes. Batman, rebound by number 23.
44-41, adding score with 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Benjilo. Mohi Vintes, rebound by Tupal.
Watson.
Number 6, Vintes. Rebound by number 4, Alden pass to Beckley. Beckley!
46-41, adding score.
6 minutes left.
And we had a third quarter.
Number 1, Alden pass to Juan Quezon, may tinawagan ng foul. There's a foul on number
5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Number 22 is ready to play. Tupal. Tupal is ready to play. Pass to number 1, Batman. Drop pass to Gailigan, easy 2 points.
Actually, Dufay. 46-43. Kabantuan Festival sa Kuya Rap.
Number 23, Benjilo, pass to number 23, using the far glass by number 22.
Official score, 48-43. Lamang po ako sa East.
Gailigan, binabandayan niya rin Tuba. Gailigan, steps up to make, using the far glass. Galing, 2 points by the Umbrella Man.
Last 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Whoa, they really great. Basic.
50-45.
Nagbantay ang Gailigan. Gailigan setting the play.
15 seconds.
There's a foul, there's a foul on the area. First shot is good.
Eh, pinangulangan ko na. Kasi mag-uwi.
Pass up, 2-2. Submission. Number 8, Red Tuba setting the play. Red Tuba pass to number 22. Back to Red Tuba, takes a play. Vintes, rebound by Gailigan. Gailigan dribbling the ball, pass to number 7, Superfly. Superfly out and pass to Batman. Easy 2 points.
Ariel Kapantay. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan. 50-49. Lamang po ang Dennis
Benjilo
Borosay.
dribbling the ball. Benjilo, pass to Red Tuba. Ay, binawagan lang ating Red.
Ang mananalo po ay kalaban sa Port 5.
Benjilo dribbling the ball. Takes a break. Hindi pumasok. Number 1, magbantay. Batman ang agawan. Out of bounds.
Yellow ball. 4 minutes, 7 seconds left.
Rebound by Superfly.
50-49 ang ating score. 15 seconds.
Gailigan. Gailigan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Gailigan takes a three. Vintes. Out of bounds. Blue ball.
Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Benjilo. Still by Tupal. Tupal to Superfly. Pass to Gailigan. Gailigan. Easy 2 points. Kings Fable.
Official score. 51-50. 1 point lead ng Porto sa Virgenis.
Number 22 setting the play.
Belardo.
Red jacket. Tupal na pagla. Tupal dribbling the ball. Global pass to Kailigan. Kailigan. Witness. Witness. Jesus Soriano na one foul versus foul.
Shot for Jesus. Soriano.
First shot Guru.
Second drive. Another long by Martin. Last 3 minutes. Potential. Binigay kay Retuba potential.
Potential takes the three. Out of bounds. Retuba. Sumalaksa. Retuba. Fadeaway shot. Witness. Out of bounds by
Substitution by Martin.
Abasi. Dribbling the ball. John Tuason.
51-50 pa rin mga
Passing number 35. Kailigan.
15 seconds to shoot.
Kailigan. Double.
Official score 51-50, 1 point lead ng Burgos.
Number 8, rotation. Pass to number 10. Martin. Pass up. 2 points. Number 6.
Last 2 minutes.
Russell dribbling the ball.
Last 2 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot.
Russell. Pass to Superfly. Is in 2 points by number 7.
Page, again lang ng mga Burgos, 53-52 with 1 minute and 44 seconds left.
Number 10. Dribbling the ball. Martin setting the play. Pass to Deschamps. Yellow Deschamps dribbling the ball. Nasa kita, nakuha ni Superfly. Superfly yang melakukan Kailigan. Pass break to number 1. Batman. Witness. Marang isusot kayo yung pass ka ba? Number 8. Retuba. Offensive foul. Ginawin ng ating referee. There's our offensive foul on number 8. Retuba, third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 6 wasn't dribbling the ball.
Last 1 minute, 5 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot. Wasn't in the net for.
Nakakuha ng foul. There's a foul on number 10.
Wasn't in the side. Wasn't. 54-52 now, 2 point lead na po ang Burgos over Burgos East. Last 1 minute.
Martin setting the play. Martin. Against the number 8. Belardo takes a free. Belardo 3!
James Taylor. 55-54 na mga Burgos East. Ang galing.
Thomas to Tawiwit. Tawiwit!
James Taylor, 56-55. Batang mga Burgos East.
Venetian dribbling the ball. Venetian behind the back pass. Ang one is Superfly. Thomas to Kailigan. Kailigan dribbling the ball. Kailigan sumalaksa. Tinapas to John Tuason. Rejected. Out of bounds.
56-55, 15 seconds left.
Magandang laban.
15 seconds left.
Martin setting the play.
10 seconds.
Martin. Pass to number 22. Football violation. 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Kailigan.
8 seconds.
Kailigan. Kailigan. 2-10.
End of second quarter.
End of the third period. Official score.
End of the third quarter. Score 50-55 in favor of Purok 2. Agad. Oh. 2 points by Rata. Ilabas mo dito. Yeah. fourth quarter.
At makakalaban ng Pronsico sa araw ng Sabado. 58-55. Ready, bigay kay Medina tawag yung t-shirt papunta kay Jailap.
Good pass, Rentuba. Rentuba, pasok, 2 points by number 8.
58-57 ang ating score. 1 point lead na ang ng Prondos.
Number 5. Where's the foul on number?
Foul. Ball shot para kay Ferrer. Pasok. 59. Another ball shot Ferrer. Rejected. Rebound by number 34. Wala pwede. Pagkala. Bigay kay Hudensal. Bigay kay
Number 25. Potential. Potential pass to number 34. Maganda. Magawan. Still.
Factory.
Maganda. Lupis pa rin. Out of bounds.
77, official score 59-57. Masaya-sayang inuman.
Quezon Pura.
Seconds to shoot.
Number 8 pass to number 25.
Factory. Nagdakay kay Likan. Tupal, dire-diretso.
Number 3 starting the play.
15 seconds to shoot.
Pass to Kailigan, takes a three.
Official score 62-57. Factory lead ng Prondos.
Number 23, pass to Javier Redemption.
Benilio.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Substitution rep para sa bawat sais. 15 seconds. Ay, Mr. Saba.
Yung pangalawa, wala yung pangalawa.
10 seconds.
Pasok, 2 points.
64-57, 7-point lead ng Prondos. Napapago ang oras, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Tupal,
Official score,
15
64-57.
seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Number 3, pass to number 5, Lumba. Lucas. Rentuma dribbling the ball. Rentuma. Rejected. Dapat na nabot. Number 18, Lucian.
10 seconds. Rebound by Gailikan. 6 minutes and 33 seconds left.
Number
15
6.
seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
Number 5
5
seconds
seconds.
to play. Pipan sa baseline.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 67-57 in favor of Prondos.
Back to the ball game. Number 10,
Back to the ball game.
Number 10, Martin setting the play.
Para sa Purok Sais.
Martin, pass to number 22. Number 22, 3!
Three. Ay, dali. Good side. 67-60 ang ating score.
Tupa, Sumasa, traveling violation.
Matangin talaga.
Number 8, proven the ball, out yet pass to number 22. Fernando Mendez, rebound by number 13, Hernandez. Tupa, dribbling the ball, out yet pass, out of bounds. Kailangan, on pass to John Tumason. Tumason sa
15 seconds.
on pass to Tupan. Tupan, setting for 10 seconds to shoot. Tupan, assault, 2 points.
69-60 ang ating score. Number 2 ng Purok Dos.
Tupan,
15 seconds to
pass to
shoot.
number 22, Belardo. Back to Tupan, with Tupan. With Tupan to Belardo. Basket is down. Basket is down. There's a foul on number 13, Hernandez.
Meron wala.
4-point play by number 22, Belardo. Official score 69-64.
15 seconds to shoot.
Number 3, pass to number 6. Walang foul. There's a
9-64. Time remaining 4 minutes and 42 seconds.
first shot is good. Tayo magbanta.
Magpapay, goal shot.
Mintay sa tira.
Ano ginagawa ko sa inana?
Number 22, Belardo. Using the four glass.
17-66. Pero ng puntos, 4 minutes and 25 seconds left.
Gopal setting the play.
15 seconds to
Gopal
shoot.
dribbling the ball. Gopal.
Time out, Genesis na lang po.
Pass to number 6. Jump to us
5
Kailangan.
seconds.
Kailangan. Sumalaksa.
66, 14 seconds to shoot. Tuwason, jump, Tuwason. 10 seconds.
Assault, 2 points. Sumalaksa.
72-66.
Number 22. Pass to number 8. Rentuba. Mintay sa tira. Rentuba. Wala ka rin. Rebound by Pagpantay. Talaga ng foul. There's a foul number 8. Rentuba.
Retuba,
Warning of number 8 for personal foul. Warning.
Tuwason, bigay kay Tupal.
Number 3. Good to the ball.
66.
Gopal setting the play.
15 seconds.
Number 3.
10 seconds.
Mintes. Out of bounds.
Blue ball. Last 3 minutes and 23 seconds. At naman tayo ng St. Grace.
Potential setting the play. Pass to number 4. Moy takes a 3. Mintes. Rebound by Binlaon. Mintes. Rentuba. Pass to Belardo. Mintes pa rin. Nakakuha ni Moy. Moy setting the play. Pass to Belardo. Mintes pa rin. Rentuba.
Ang daming bola.
Tuwason.
Still, may number 4. Belardo. Easy 2 points.
Apat.
Reasons for-
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Score 72-78 in favor of Purok Dos.
Number 6, Tumason Bergen.
Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 72-68 ang ating score. Makakuha.
Tumason, pass to Tupal. Tupal is running the play. Pass to Tumason. 10 seconds to shoot. Russell, left-hander shot. Isa, bilis.
74-68.
Alam mo lang, yun.
Last 2 minutes and 24 seconds.
Number 8, Vertuba, 2-10 shot. Takes the frame. Airball.
Change back to Tuason.
Russell, dribbling the ball. Pass to Kailikan. Kailikan. Last 2 minutes. Foul number 4.
Penalty situation run.
Kailikan in the free throw area. First shot is good.
75-68. 1 minute and 59 seconds left. 2 for 2.
Number 2 para kay Kailikan.
76-68. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Red to back.
Number 18. Belardo setting the play. Belardo 10 seconds to shoot. Belardo, Michael Weber on foul. Where's the foul on line? 1 minute and 42 seconds. Official score 76-68. Purok 6, wala na kayong timeout. Purok 6.
Official score is 76-68. 1 minute and 42 seconds before we start the ball. Purok 2. Warning for penalty. Penalty super. Ito ang penalty, di ba?
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Warning for penalty pa lang. Wala pa po. Warning for penalty pa lang.
Rebound by Dingby.
Next foul under penalty space pa. Traveling back.
Traveling violation.
76-68.
Magbantay, winning the ball.
Nagbantay, ball na shot. 76-68.
Paso. Official score 77-68. Belardo, ball pass to Vertuba. Back to Belardo. Belardo! 3!
Shout out sa mga juniors ng Purok 7. Magandang gabi po.
Magbantay, yung pass to Beler! Easy goals!
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Belardo. Belardo pass to Vertuba. Vertuba takes a free. Vertuba! 3!
1 minute and
1 minute left. Nakakuha ng foul. Where's the ball?
4 pagbating po.
First shot is good. By Batman forever.
80-74 ating score.
Nanawig ang delay.
74.
Tama kayo. Ang galing ng husay. Last 81-74. 54 seconds left. Belardo.
Belardo takes a free. Vites.
Atras mo, atras. 46 seconds.
Oh!
There's a back. Oh. Reference down. Runway. Number 4, runway.
Runway, the ball in number 4.
Penalty situation. 81, 82, 74. Kulang sa isa. 82, 74. 14 seconds left.
Yes, rebound by Odensal. Pass to Red Tuba.
Red Tuba.
Red Tuba, diretso. Foul number 35 kay Ligan.
Ilang tayo dito? Okay, 75. Ang shooting guard.
Official score 82-76.
Both teams under penalty situation. On the occasion of this nation. Seconds left. 82-76.
Number 3. Foul number.
Bonus shot for Tugal.
Yes, ang ulang tira.
Thanks po natin, Kagawad Benny Antonio. Alam mo kami yung isa mo. 83-76. 30 seconds. Binigay ka na Lardo. Isang roll. Court. Magpantay. Foul. One shot for Magpantay. 83-76. 81-76, 21 seconds left. Red Tuba. 15 seconds. 1 seconds, 84-79. Another ball wide. 10 seconds left, 85-79. Rejected, Martin, Odensal, for 3. 4 seconds.
End of the ball game.
Congratulations.
Score.
Thank you from Sais. Ulit lang sila sa
85-79. Winner, Purok 2. Mga boss, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Hanggang dito na ang aking vlogs. At huwag niyo kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel, Boss Alan Vlogs. At isama niyo na rin ang Kajoiners Vlog. At nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay,
Jersey number 35.
mabuhay.
Dahil Likan, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po.
Panalo tayo!